Good morning, everyone.
Where you experience the Pearl Farm moment.
Yes.
Medyo kinakabahan si ate.
Yes. Oo. We want to experience it. So,
May tubig pala talaga.
Yes.
Wow.
So we mimic the Pearl Farm moment inside.
Wow.
So yun yung napili mo.
Kasama natin si Sir Arnold
so kayo mag-boom?
at si Abby from Boracay Sun.
Hindi naman.
Ah, sige.
So ito po yung tinatawag nilang farm experience, Pearl Farm experience.
So we have to guess.
Oh, we guaranteed pearl but we don't know what size, shape, or color. Yung makuha mong color may definite meaning. For example, ang kulay na white ay for health. Ang peach ay for love. Kung lavender health na wisdom.
Gusto ko yung peach kasi for love.
Okay, sige. So wish natin ha. Wish upon the clock.
Ay, ganyan pala siya.
Kailangan mo sa mabuti. Totoo kasi siyang plan.
Oh, totoo yan. Oh.
Totoo.
Walang halong biro yan.
Saan yung gano'n natin? Sandali.
As in,
Okay, ma'am, are you ready? Let's
Yes.
Ito.
We're ready.
Biyakin mo natin. Are you ready?
Yes. Let's see.
Are you ready, ma'am? Let's come together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Surprise!
God, wow, that's amazing.
White pearl. Ang
It's
galing.
white.
It's amazing, diba?
As in,
Ang galing may
talaga.
may pearl talaga siya.
Yes, guaranteed namin may pearl. We guaranteed the Pearl Farm experience only at Pick a Pearl. So, yan, pwede mong iuwi as your souvenir or pwede mong gawing pendant na para hindi mawala.
Wow, ang galing naman.
So, you just have to pay for the... ito sa'yo libre ngayon. Kasi guest namin kayo.
Sige, sige po. Thank you.
Pero yung sa mga tourists, that's 300 pesos. Now, you just have to take kung gusto mo siyang gawin. Pero ang size niya is for pendant. Laki niya. Kasi tingin mo yung iba dito.
Malaki yung napili mo, be.
Tama-tama
Ayan
sa
siya,
pendant.
oh. So you pick there
Meron kaming
and
wedding card with
you can open it
4,200
dito mismo sa Pick a Pearl.
May stainless.
Pick a Pearl experience. Parang from the farm talaga.
Yes, from the farm.
Wow, ang galing naman.
So, ano gusto mo gawin? Tago mo muna.
So, we will think about it first.
Oo.
Ang cute. So
Balik ka sa ibang
amazing.
araw para gawin mong pendant.
Ay, ganon.
You can make it pwede mo siya gawin quintas, ay pendant sa quintas.
Pwede yung bracelet. Pakita mo yung mga nagagawa natin bracelet. Yung iba ginagawang bracelet.
Ang galing naman.
Ayaw yung ganyan. Ako tayo yung ganyan gawin mo.
Oh.
Dalawa gusto nila. Pwede isa. Ito isa. So, pwede ito for 1,250 ito. Leather. Kakabit natin. Yung susunod. We have at least 30 colors. May black, may light colors.
Ay, ang galing.
O sige, you just keep it na para
Balik ka sa...
Sige.
sa susunod na araw.
Keep mo na yan, be.
Sige.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What?
Ayan, napakabait po ng may-ari, si Sir Arnold.
Siya. Super amazing, no? Hindi natin alam na may laman pa yung pearl na. It's really amazing. I was so surprised. Thank you for the experience, Pico Pearl.
At
Saan ka
talagang
ba?
totoo.
Sa Pick a Pearl.
Big Pearl. Ay, ang layo, andoon.
So, pwede nyo may feature, no? Yung
Yes, we will
experience.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ayan, yung napakababait
Balik
ng
kasi
mga
yung
staff.
mga
Oo. At syempre, meron tayong mga guest, pero nakatago sila. Ayan.
Secure din ang
Okay.
store, no? Meron kaming guard, well air conditioned. Magaganda ang mga
Yes, naman. Oh, di ba?
Gabenta.
So, dito lang yan sa Pick a Pearl. You can choose your own experience. Farm experience.
Saan ka ba?
Sa Pick a Pearl. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Abby.